A classic Italian and American dish here is a simple chicken Alfredo pasta recipe. Ingredients: 1 pound boneless skinless chicken breast, 1 cup unsalted butter, 1 cup heavy cream, half a cup grated Parmesan cheese, half a cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup fettuccine pasta, fresh parsley chopped. Instructions: cook fettuccine pasta. Reserve 1 cup pasta water and set aside. In a pan, melt butter over medium heat. Add chicken, cook until browned and cooked through 5 to 6 minutes. Remove chicken, set aside. In same skillet, add garlic powder and Italian seasoning, cook 1 minute. Sprinkle flour, whisk to combine. Gradually pour in heavy cream, whisk until smooth. Bring sauce to simmer, cook 2 to 3 minutes or until thickened. Stir in Parmesan cheese until melted. Add cooked fettuccine pasta to sauce. Thick slice cooked chicken, add to pasta. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Garnish with chopped parsley. Tips and variations: use leftover chicken. Add steamed vegetables, broccoli, bell peppers. Substitute half and half or whole milk for heavy cream. Add a pinch of nutmeg or cayenne pepper. Nutrition information: per serving. Calories 550. Fat 35 g. Saturated fat 20 g. Cholesterol 80 milligrams. Sodium 450 milligrams. Carbohydrates 40 g. Fiber 2 g. Protein 35 g. Enjoy your creamy chicken Alfredo pasta.